Hey there, let's compare the process for creating form fields, first with Acrobat DC and then Nuance Power PDF. Here we have the document that we want to add form fields to, so we'll click Prepare Form, and then we'll go down here and click Change so that Adobe doesn't automatically detect the form fields. We'll deselect Automatically Detect Form Fields and click OK, and then click Start. And now we'll be able to manually add forms. So we'll click here to create a text box, and then we can drag the edges here to resize it. We can click here to do a checkbox as well. And then let's add a signature down here. Now just save the document to save the form fields. Let's take a look at the process in Power PDF. Here's that same document open in Power PDF. And to add form fields, what we're going to do is go up to the Forms tab, and then underneath Form Elements, we can go ahead and add a few things. First, we'll add a text field. We'll just click and drag out to where we want to place that. Select a few options. Let's go ahead and put a checkbox there. And we'll just drag that to size. And then finally, let's put a signature field in there as well. And we'll just drag that over the area we want to place it. Now we just got to save the document to save the fields. It's that simple.